गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે યુનિટ 2 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલું હતું. નાઉ યુનિટ 3 એસોસિએશન ઓફ એટ્રીબ્યુટ્સ. ધીસ ઇઝ વેરી સિમ્પલ યુનિટ. નાઉ ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે ચેપ્ટરની ઓવરવ્યૂ જોશું. ટાઈપ ઓફ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ ટોટલ બે ટાઈપ જ છે. ટાઈપ 1 ફાઇન્ડ કન્સિસ્ટન્સી ઓફ ડેટા, ટાઈપ 2 ફાઇન્ડ એસોસિએશન ઓફ એટ્રીબ્યુટ્સ. એની અંદર ચાર જુદી જુદી મેથડ છે. મેથડ 1 comparison between observed and expected frequency, method 2 proportion method, method 3 Yule's coefficient of association method, method 4 Yule's coefficient of colligation method. These four method એની અંદર method 3 અને method 4 એ બે આપણા માટે બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. Now most IMP theory of the unit, difference between linear correlation and association of attributes, method of studying association of attributes, these four method, and type 3 types of association, that is positive association, negative association or no association. Same way correlation is. Now practical part. Type 1 to find consistency of data. First of all, how to calculate example? Step 1, prepare 2 by 2 table. Prepare 2 by 2 or 9 square table. This is 2 by 2 table. This is 2 by 2. And this is 9 square table. So both are same. 2 by 2 and 9 square table both are same. A alpha total, B beta total. A અને B ની ફ્રીક્વન્સી એને કહેવાય AB, B અને આલ્ફા ની ફ્રીક્વન્સી એને કહેવાય આલ્ફા B. એનો ટોટલ કરીએ એટલે આપણે મળશે B. A અને બીટા ની ફ્રીક્વન્સી અને A બીટા, આલ્ફા અને બીટા ની ફ્રીક્વન્સી અને આલ્ફા બીટા, એનો ટોટલ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે બીટા. સેમ વે A વાળી કોલમનો ટોટલ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે A, આલ્ફા વાળી કોલમનો ટોટલ કરશું એટલે આલ્ફા, એન્ડ A પ્લસ આલ્ફા કરશું એટલે n મળશે, ઓર B પ્લસ બીટા કરશું એટલે n મળશે. સો n ઇઝ ગ્રાન્ડ ટોટલ. સો first step, that is prepare 2 by 2 or 9 square table. Second one, if any of frequency of 2 by 2 table is negative, then data is inconsistent. Or all the frequency of table is positive, then data is consistent. So negative આવે તો inconsistent, positive આવે તો consistent. Example જોઈએ. First example, AB is equal to 200, A is equal to 300, alpha is equal to 200, B is equal to 250, alpha beta is equal to 150, n is equal to 500. Find consistency of data. Okay. First AB is equal to 200, A is equal to 300, alpha is equal to 200, B is equal to 250, alpha beta is equal to 150, n is equal to 500. Now remaining frequency આપણે find કરશું. 500 minus 250, that is 250, 250 minus 150, that is 100, 200 minus 200 plus 100, that is 300, 200 minus 150, that is 50, 200 plus 50, 250. એટલે ક્રોસ વેરીફાઈ કરી લેવાનું. 200 plus 50, 250, 100 plus 150, 250, 200 plus 100, 300, 50 plus 150, 200, 250 plus 250, 500, 300 plus 200, 500. સો જે 2 by 2 ટેબલ છે એની અંદર જે ફ્રીક્વન્સી આપણે મળેલી છે, ઓલ ધી ફ્રીક્વન્સી આર પોઝિટિવ. બરાબર, બધા પોઝિટિવ છે. સો ડેટા ઇઝ કન્સિસ્ટન્ટ. Next, second example, AB 250, A is equal to 150, alpha B is equal to 1000, alpha beta is equal to 600, beta is equal to 500, n is equal to 1750. Find consistency of data. Okay. AB 250, A 150, alpha B 1000, alpha beta 600, beta 500, and 1750. So 1750 minus 500, 1250. 1250. 500 minus 600, that is minus 100. 250 plus minus 100, that is minus 150. 150, 1750 minus 150, that is 600. So 1 here, A beta is equal to minus 100. So data, one frequency is minus, so data is inconsistent. This is your answer. So this is our type 1. Now type 2. Type 2 method 1, comparison between observed frequency and expected frequency. How to calculate example? First of all, prepare 2 by 2 table. દરેક સમમાં 2 by 2 ટેબલ તો પ્રિપેર કરવાનું જ રહેશે. પ્રિપેર 2 by 2 ટેબલ, જે રીતે આપણે 2 by 2 ટેબલ બનાવીએ છીએ એ રીતે. ઓકે. નાઉ ફાઇન્ડ એક્સપેક્ટેડ વેલ્યુ યુઝિંગ ફોલોઈંગ ઇક્વેશન. Find expected value using following equation. For expected value A અને B માટે, A multiplied by B divided by N. Second, expected frequency A beta માટે, A multiplied by beta divided by N. Next, expected frequency alpha B માટે, alpha multiplied by B divided by N. Next, expected frequency alpha beta માટે, alpha multiplied by beta divided by N. Here we are getting expected value. Now comparison between expected and observe. Expected and observe. If observe is greater than expected, then positive association. If observe is less than expected, then it is positive association. If observe is less than expected, then it is negative association. And both are equal. If both are equal, then no association. If O is greater than E, then P. O is lesser than E, then N. O is equal to E, then no association. Now first example. Example number 1. The following data determine the nature of association by applying criteria of independence A and B, A and beta, alpha and B, alpha and beta. Okay. N is equal to 100, so N is equal to 100, A is equal to 40, A is equal to 40, B is equal to 80, AB is equal to 30. Now 2 by 2 ની અંદર remaining frequency 80 minus 30 that is 50, 40 minus 30 that is 10, 100 minus 40 that is 60, 60 minus 50 that is 10, 100 minus 80 that is 20. So 30 plus 50 80, 10 plus 10 20, 30 plus 10 40, 50 plus 10 60, 40 plus 60 100, 80 plus 20 100. Any of the frequency is, all the frequencies are positive, so data is consistent. तो ज આપણે એસોસિએશન ફાઇન્ડ થઈ શકે. જો ડેટા કન્સિસ્ટન્સ ન હોય તો એસોસિએશન ફાઇન્ડ થઈ શકે નહીં. નાઉ ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ વી હેવ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ એક્સપેક્ટેડ ફ્રીક્વન્સી A and B માટે. So A multiplied by B divided by N. A is equal to 40, B is equal to 80 divided by 100. So 40 multiplied by 80 divided by 100. 32. A and beta. A multiplied by beta divided by N. A is equal to 40, beta is equal to 20 divided by 100. 20 multiplied by 40 divided by 100. 40, 20, 100, 8. Alpha and B. So alpha multiplied by B divided by N. Alpha is equal to 60, B is equal to 80 divided by 100. 80 multiplied by 60 divided by 100. 48. Last, alpha beta. So alpha multiplied by beta divided by N. Alpha is equal to 60, beta is equal to 20 divided by 100. 60 multiplied by 20 by 100, that is 12. Now comparison between expected and observed. AB માટે સૌથી પહેલા ફ્રીક્વન્સી AB observe, expected and result. ઓકે સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ઓબ્ઝર્વ ફ્રીક્વન્સી AB ની 30, expected AB ni 32. So observe is lesser than expected, so negative. Second one alpha B. Alpha B. Observe of alpha B, that is table માં જે આપેલી છે alpha B 50. A beta ટેબલ ની અંદર A beta આપેલા છે 10, expected 8, so 10 is greater than 8, positive. Next one alpha B ટેબલ ની અંદર 50, expected આપણે મળ્યા 48, so 50 is greater than 48, that means positive. And last one alpha beta 10, expected આપણે મળેલા છે 12, so 12 is greater than 10, so negative. This is your answer. This is how we get association between two variables. Okay. Next, example number 2. Find nature of association between AB, alpha B, alpha beta. N is equal to 100. Prepare 2 by 2 table. N is equal to 100. AB 25, A 45, B 75. 75 minus 25, 50. 45 minus 25, 20. 100 minus 45, 55. 55 minus 50, 5. 100 minus 75, 25. Find expected value for AB. A multiplied by B divided by N. Second one, alpha B, alpha multiplied by B divided by N. Third one, alpha beta, alpha multiplied by beta divided by N. First, AB. A no total 45 multiplied by B no total 75 divided by 100. Alpha is equal to 55, B is equal to 75 divided by 100. Alpha beta 55, 25, 100. So 45 multiplied by 75 divided by 100, 33.75. 55 multiplied by 75 divided by 100, 41.25. 55 multiplied by 25 divided by 100, 13.75. Now comparison. Frequency, observe, expected result. AB, alpha B, alpha beta. AB, observe AB, that is 25. Alpha B, that is 50. Alpha beta, that is 5. Expected 33.75, 41.25, 13.75. 55 is lesser than 33.75, so negative. 50 is greater than 41.25, so positive. And 5 is lesser than 13.75, so negative. These are your answer. In next session we will start our next method. Thank you.